Tomorrow we have a sew along, tomorrow Thursday, on 4222, which is a really pretty little dress, or doesn't have to be a dress, but a kind of a long tunic for summer. It's just cute. It's the fit and flare, Geo Fit and Flare. So I'm putting up some knits that will all work really well with that dress. We start with this really beautiful silver velvet. It's just really beautiful. Velvet continues to just be all over the place. And this is just a lovely piece. It's a cotton poly blend. It has stretch in both directions. Beautiful. We have some of these ITYs, and on these ITY, well, this is a little bit more like a scuba knit. It's got a little more body to it. But these, they're digital prints, and you can see that that is a cable knit of a yarn. All right, so then this is the small, and then we have the large, and they're coordinating. And so I thought, you could do the large at the top and the small at the bottom, or vice versa. I thought that'd be really cute for a dress. So they're both scuba-like. They're both the same weight fabrics. Well, they are scuba. They're not scuba-like. They are scuba. They have stretch in both directions, and you can see how accurate it looks, like a knitted cable sweater. It's very cool. All right, anyway, those two. We have this beautiful blue velvet, very pretty. The beginnings always have a little bit of tape markings on them. We cut those off, so we don't give those to you, or we include them and we don't charge you for them. But anyway, just a really beautiful color, beautiful drape, stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly, and just be so pretty with just a little pair of jeans. White jeans especially would be really fun for summer. And then we have, this is a kite fabric, K-H-A-I-T-E. We had this before. This is 511 if you had bought it in the past, just an FYI. It is a beautiful cotton poly navy, great drape, unbelievably beautiful piece of fabric. This is what I'll have on. I made myself the dress out of this to wear, and then we'll use another one to sew on. This has stretch in both directions, and you can see the drape is just out of this world. Just a lovely, lovely piece of fabric. This is a royal blue. Really, again, pretty drape, and that's kind of what I was going for, is drape in these fabrics. This is a cotton poly, lightweight, very pretty. You'd hardly even feel like you had it on. A stretch in both directions, just again, a beautiful piece of fabric. So the goal is tomorrow. Now, when you donate $20 to Fit to Stitch, and we'll send out this announcement a little bit later, when you donate $20 to Fit to Stitch, we will send you the pattern free, the 4222. That's going to be our deal, and these are your fabrics. So you can't have anything but happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.